This has been the morning routine for Professor M. Radhakrishna Pillai for the last 15 years. Let us begin this explorative journey about Professor Pillai from where he started. His remarkable journey with RGCB started way back in 2005 when he took over the mantle of RGCB, a biotechnology institution then run by the government of Kerala. Before looking into his association with RGCB, let's time travel and take a sneak peek into the stepping stones of his wonderful journey of science that made him Professor M. Radhakrishna Pillai, in terms our very respected MRP. Radhakrishna Madhavan Pillai was born in the city of Dar es Salaam as the only child to Mr. N. Madhavan Pillai, who then worked for the British Civil Service, and Mrs. K.B. Jayalakshmi. Dr. Pillai's journey with translational medicine began when he joined with the legendary oncologist Professor M. Krishnan Nair and received his PhD in tumor immunology from the Regional Cancer Centre, Thiruvananthapuram. Together with Professor Prabha Balram, the trio published 11 notable publications between 1984 and 1988, culminating in the development of an immunological staging system for the cervical cancers. He was honoured with the Raja Ravi Sher Singh Award, instituted by the Indian Council of Medical Research, Government of India, for his excellence in his doctoral studies. He is married to Dr. Bindu Nair, a consultant physician in the National Health Services, Birmingham, UK, who also graduated from the Government Medical College, Thiruvananthapuram. She subsequently trained in the United Kingdom and obtained MRCP and MRCGP. Dr. Pillai then moved to the University of Arizona for a postdoctoral fellowship in molecular biology and immunopharmacology. Following this, he also obtained his pathology certification, MRCP and FRCP, from the Royal College of Pathologists in London. Dr. Pillai rejoined his alma mater, the Regional Cancer Centre, Thiruvananthapuram, at his home state, where he served as the head Department of Molecular Medicine. Dr. Pillai has always been a student-friendly mentor, sharing both official and social duties with equal ease. The 15 years of the visionary leadership of RGCB commenced in 2005 when Professor Pillai was selected as a director of Rajiv Gandhi Centre for Biotechnology, RGCB, Thiruvananthapuram. At the age of 44, he then became the youngest scientist to be selected as a director of a national research institution in India. In 2005, during his first year at RGCB, the then President of India, late His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, visited the institute to inaugurate the International Symposium on Translational Research in Cancer. The visit was indeed a memorable one, with an active interactive session with the students as well as the faculty at RGCB, which could motivate and inculcate our scientific temperament. Under his pioneer leadership, on 1st April 2007, RGCB acclaimed its momentous achievement of being awarded with the status of an autonomous national institute by the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, with an aim to foster research and development in biotechnology. The heights of excellence flaunted by RGCB over the years since its inception as a national institute under the leadership of Professor Pillai acclaimed national recognition with a Rs 100 crores grant to institute a bioinnovation center, his vision for a second phase expansion program of RGCB. The government of Kerala responded very graciously by transferring 20 acres of prime land within the Thiruvananthapuram city to RGCB. This will soon house a full-fledged National Institute for Viral Disease Biology with BSL 3 and 4 containment facilities. The Department of Biotechnology is processing a Rs 434 crores SFC document to this effect. Along with the growth of the institute, Professor Pillai's scientific graph also touched new horizons. The HPV vaccine trial was published in the journal Lancet Oncology and attracted funding from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, as well as the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, an intergovernmental agency of the World Health Organization of the United Nations. The well-known multicentric cancer vaccine clinical trial comparing 2 doses versus 3 doses of the human papilloma virus vaccine is a landmark study in vaccine efficacy testing, which ultimately led to the recommendation of 2 doses separated by 6 months as a routine vaccination of young girls to protect them from cervical cancer. Based on this work published in Lancet Oncology, the regimen has now been accepted by WHO. Professor Pillai's leadership efforts have enabled RGCB to expand itself into 3 campuses. Always in tune with nature, the beautiful main campus has a sky green terrace organic garden, which is RGCB's modest green solution. In addition, RGCB has a Bio-Innovation Center, which is our second home within the Kinfra Film and Video Park, Thiruvananthapuram. The BioNest in Kochi is RGCB's Business and Technology Development Incubator in association with Kerala Startup Mission and caters to translational biotechnology and nurtures entrepreneurship. So far, this unique bio-incubation model has housed more than 28 incubated companies at various stages of their acceleration paths. Currently serving the country with innovative biotech products for healthcare sector, this is RGCB's humble contribution to Make in India. With great power comes great responsibility. Professor Pillai first responded to the Kerala government call for assistance during the spate of viral fevers such as chikungunya, dengue and H1N1 that hit the state in 2006 and 2007. He quickly established the Laboratory Medicine and Molecular Diagnostics LMMD, providing the services of molecular diagnostics to the society. Today, this is a NABL, NABH and ILAC accredited national facility. His timely intervention for the societal needs reflected itself again during the current COVID-19 pandemic, where RGCB plays a significant role in providing a routine diagnostic support to aid the central and state governments in fighting this global pandemic. RGCB could also commercialize 4 innovative diagnostic kits for the COVID testing, a remarkable goal achieved within a short time span of 4 months. Recognition of RGCB's domain expertise in this area, LMMD is now an approved regulatory authority to validate COVID-19 diagnostics and COVID-19 resources in India. RGCB has been providing DNA fingerprinting services for various judicial bodies since the late 1990s. Professor upgraded this into a nationally recognized facility. Today, Molecular Forensics and DNA Technologies (MFDT) includes the Regional Facility for DNA Fingerprinting (RFDF), a self-contained and self-sustained unit which was recently awarded with NABL accreditation. RFDF became the first laboratory in Kerala and among the very few in India to achieve this feat in human DNA fingerprinting and wildlife forensics. An ardent humanitarian to the core, Professor Pillai has always placed the service to mankind as his foremost vision and led efforts from the front on several occasions when the state of Kerala was in need of RGCB services. The identification of human remains from the Puttingal temple fire tragedy as well as the Oki cyclone disaster stand as testimony to this. His efforts in supporting the medical and health facilities of our state gave birth to the idea of Medical Laboratory Services or MLS. Today, we have 9 such MLS laboratories with NABH accreditation across Thiruvananthapuram district, which provide precise and state-of-the-art diagnostic support to our people. Never far from social responsibilities, Professor Pillai has established in the less developed districts of Kerala a Centre for Excellence in Inclusive Technology Interventions for Tribal Heritage Resilience of Kerala. One of the golden feathers in Professor Pillai's cap is the RGCB MSc program, which was his brainchild. The first batch of 40 excited kids who were passionate about science joined our institute last year, and for them, he is the epitome of affection and respect. The most distinguished RGCB Scientific Advisory Council, the RGCB SAC, admire him for his leadership, vibrancy and generosity. they equivocally praise their colleague Professor M.R. Pillai, whom they fondly call as Radha. Dr. Pillai is a highly decorated scientist and management leader. At the age of 40, he was honored with the National Bioscience Award for Career Development instituted by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. He is also an elected fellow of the Indian National Science Academy, Academy of Sciences, the National Academy of Sciences India, National Academy of Medical Sciences, and the prestigious Royal College of Pathologists. He was also awarded the coveted Sun Pharma Research Award 2019 in Medical Sciences and the Trivandrum Management Association TMA Management Leadership Award 2018. Sir, the past 15 years of your dedication, honesty, courage, vision and passion towards the Institute. We couldn't find better verses than these by Tagore from Gitanjali that could summarize you perfectly.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Ever has it been that our love knows not its own depth until the hour of separation. And when this love is towards a person who is the kindest hearted spirit, who has not just given his life and soul in developing a wonderful creation like RGCB, but has also touched numerous lives, the parting becomes so difficult. And now, RGCB family joins together to convey our love and gratitude. RGCB family is looking forward to witness your next level of a closer association with us to fulfill these inspirational programs.
On the road, I'll say a prayer so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. The stirring in your soul has left you wondering, should you stay or turn around? Well, just remember that your dreams, they are a promise, that you were made to change the world. So don't let fear stop you now, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take